I'm out taking Kobe for his last wee of the night. And I'm videoing because it's gone 11 o'clock at night. And there's Kobe. And I want you to have a listen to this. Can you hear them birds? There's not much traffic tonight. I can hear a helicopter, but can you hear them birds? It's gone quiet again now. Hang on, let the traffic die down a bit, because I can hear them loud and clear, but I can also, I'm used to the traffic noise, but have a listen. It's gone 11 at night. And the birds sound distressed. I noticed this last night when I came over for his late night walk. And I thought, I've never heard the birds singing at this time of night before. I mean, normally this time of night they're all tucked up in bed. It's not an owl. This is a daytime bird that's singing. And it doesn't sound, it sounds distressed singing as well. Oh, yeah. Anyway, there's Kobe. And I'm sure you heard the bird singing. Like I say, it's gone. Kobe, press on it, please. Quick, can I have one? It's gone 11 o'clock at night, and Kobe don't want to have a wee. Just seems strange having the birds singing at this time of night. And they're daytime birds, they're not owls or anything that would normally sing at night. And as you can hear, it's really loud. It's actually louder than what it would normally be. And it sounds like a distressed. As if they're chatting to each other about something serious. Anyway, it's time for me to take the dog. Oh. Walkies. Yeah, them birds are really loud. So I don't know what that's about. Anyway, the usual madness going down in the UK. COVID. Oh, something I want to share with you, but I can't. Oh, yeah. A story about my internet. Right, 3 years ago, we had a refurbishment done on our block of flats. Nearly £3 million. And anyway, I had the internet people come out the other day. And turns out, oh, looks like the homeless people are fighting over there. Don't know what that's about. Oh, someone's arguing. Wonder what for. Anyway, oh, I don't normally argue the internet, the homeless people. Anyway, yeah, the internet people come out. Turns out that turns out that the refurbishment people, when they refurbish the block, rips all the wires out for the internet. So yeah, that was that. Couldn't have no internet, so I can't upload and download and do all the rest of the fancy stuff that I should be able to do to make my videos more exciting, because I ain't got internet. But what I will do is say, please go on to Brian Harvey TV and listen to his new tune called Baphomet. So that's BH, so B for Brian, H for Harvey TV, and have a listen to his new tune. It's called Baphomet, and yeah, worth having a look at, worth having a listen to. I can't share it, so anyway, that's our walk done. The birds are still over there singing. It's only in that tree, it's not in all the other trees, but they're really, look at the trees and they look beautiful. Oh my God, they'll all be losing their leaves soon. But you know what, I can hear those birds from here. They're just really loud. I noticed it last night as well. But anyway, love you lots. Love yourselves more. Don't forget to love yourselves more. And speak to you soon. Bye bye from me and Kobe. And it's 11 on a Monday, the 20th, the day that my sister died 2 years ago. She took her own life, actually. And yeah, it's been one of those days today. Anyway, I've done a lot of things indoors, decorating, moving furniture, getting new furniture, getting rid of old furniture. So tomorrow, maybe the day after, I'll video it all and you can have a look at it all. And yeah, love you lots. Love yourselves more. From me and Cope. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.